In this lab activity, it is asked to type the following story and create the styles for formatting the paragraph as given. We have to perform this task in MS Word. Let's go to the MS Word. Now you have to type this text, or you can get typed document from the lab activities folder. Let's start to format the document. First, I like to format the heading. Select the heading. Change the font. Click the drop down button of font. Now select the font name. I select this Cosmic Sans MS. Now change the font size. To change the font size, click the font size drop down button. I set the 24 point. I set bold face. Click the bold option of font group. Change the color of font. Click the font color drop down button. Select the font color. I select this light blue and set the alignment center. Select the center alignment of paragraph group. Now set the line spacing and paragraph spacing. Right mouse click, click the paragraph option. Now set 12 point before and after the paragraph spacing. Now set the line spacing single. Finally, click the OK button. Now format the paragraph. Select the first paragraph. Now change the font. Click the font drop down button. I like to change the Arial. Now set the font size 12. Click the font size drop down button. Select the 12 point. Now set the alignment justify. Click the justify option from paragraph group. Now set the line spacing and paragraph spacing. Right mouse click, click the paragraph option. Now set the paragraph spacing after 6 point. Set the line spacing multiple. Click the line spacing drop down button. Select the multiple option and set the line spacing value. I like to set the value 1.3. Now click the OK button. Now look here, paragraph is formatted. Now we have to create the style in the basis of this formatted text. First, I like to create the style of heading. Select the heading. Click the style flyer buttons from styles group. Click the new style button from styles panel. Now type the style name. I type heading. Now simply click the OK button. Now look here, heading style is appeared in the style panels. Now create the paragraph style in the basis of this formatted paragraph. Select this paragraph. Now create the new style button from styles panel. Simply give the style name. I give paragraph style. Now click the OK button. Look here, paragraph style is appeared in the styles panel. Once I like to go back in the normal formatting position, I click the normal, select the heading and click the normal. Look here, our document is in the normal formatting position. Now apply the created styles. I like to apply in the heading. Select the heading. Now click the styles heading. Now look here, the heading is formatted. Apply the paragraph styles. Select all the paragraphs and click the paragraph style from styles panel. Now look here, paragraph is also formatted. Now we have completed our formatting task. You have to practice yourself after watching this video to develop the word processing skill in Microsoft Word.